The SpaceX Raptor engine is a game-changer in rocket technology, designed for rapid reusability and high efficiency. Utilizing a staged combustion cycle, the Raptor burns both liquid methane and liquid oxygen, allowing it to achieve better performance than traditional engines. With a thrust capability exceeding 230 tons, it is engineered for the demanding requirements of missions to Mars and beyond. The engine features advanced materials and manufacturing processes, including 3D printing, reducing costs and production time. Its innovative design not only enhances performance, but also ensures reliability, making the Raptor a cornerstone of SpaceX's future interplanetary endeavors.